Hello all. Welcome to this tutorial on shooting bullets from a GameObject in Unity 3D. We have a cube to which is attached shoot bullet script. The script instantiates a bullet from the cube every time mouse button is clicked. We first create a capsule GameObject which acts as a bullet by going to GameObject then 3D object then capsule. We then set the proper scale to bullet. Then it is rotated on X by 90. To the capsule we attach Rigidbody component by going to Add Component then type Rigidbody and select Rigidbody. Let us discuss the script now which instantiates the bullet/capsule for every mouse click and gives it a movement. The bullet movement speed can be changed. So, the first step is to declare bullet prefab, which is a rigid body. This is declared as public so that we can assign it the bullet GameObject from Inspector in Unity Editor later when the script is completed. Similarly, we also declare a public float variable shoot speed which we can adjust in Inspector. In the update function, which gets executed every frame, we detect whether the mouse button is pressed down/click like so. If so, shootBullet function is called. In shootBullet function we declare a variable var which calls inbuilt function instantiate which instantiates bullet. The instantiate function takes three parameters. First is the GameObject to instantiate. So, we set this as bullet prefab declared earlier. The second parameter, which takes initial position of bullet, is given the value of cube position declared as transform.position. Transform here is that of GameObject this script is attached to. The third parameter is that of initial rotation of bullet declared as transform.rotation which again is the transform of cube GameObject, which this script is attached to. We go back to editor and assign the value of bullet prefab. The prefab is already created. For detailed information on what prefabs are with their creation and usage, please refer to my tutorial on prefabs. The link is provided in the description below. Also, let us provide the value of bullet speed as 50. Let us now run the game and see the results. On clicking the mouse in game we can see the bullet getting instantiated and moved with specified speed. We have covered everything for this tutorial. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel for more fun videos and stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching.